Recording.
Okay, children, we're on Tennessee 30. This gas station does have non-ethanol gasoline. We are headed to Tellico Plains, Tennessee. See if we can make it. Woo! Maybe not today. Here we go. Oh, I'm guessing that road washed out. That store I just stopped at, they have Mexican Cokes. So if you've never had a Mexican Coke in a glass bottle, it's delicious. And I don't mean those little 8-ounce American-made glass bottle Coca-Colas that you get in the grocery store. These are 12-ounce and 16-ounce Mexican Coke. It is the original recipe, not that crap that they're putting on the containers here in the USA that says tastes like the original recipe or original taste or something like that. I don't want the original taste. I want the actual original ingredients. But Coca-Cola doesn't care what I want. The sun is starting to pop out. Woohoo! It's going to be a beautiful day today. Tomorrow is going to be even better. They're pouring concrete at the next house that we're building, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to ride tomorrow. I got to put some conduit in the footer for the power. And the concrete guy asked me to be there for placement, so we'll see. We'll see, depending on how early they start. I'm hoping that they start at like 7 a.m. No, I'm not going to video it. I should, though. supposed to be the warmer day of the two. And it's chilly today for it being May 22nd. Alright, check this out. This is the Hiwassee River. Same Hiwassee River that goes through Murphy, North Carolina. This store here on the right, this is a pretty cool store too. They do have the glass bottle Coca-Colas. They do not have the Mexican Coca-Cola, so I don't stop there. But if you do take a break, you got something to watch. The river's cool. Oh, he's gonna let me by. Man, this guy's awesome. Thank you. Ah, he's turning. He wasn't letting me by. I'm retiring in less than 2 months. Just wait and see how many videos I start pushing up to the YouTube. It's going to be an everyday occurrence. These folks do radon. You should test your house for radon. That's some bad stuff. I don't want you dying from radon. I care for you way too much. If you don't know what radon is, do investigate it. It's very easy to mitigate radon from your basement or crawl space. All you have to do is vent the air in your basement or crawl space out of your house and get clean air to come into your crawl space, because you don't want that stuff getting up in your house where you're breathing it and your whole house is contaminated. Not good stuff.